All right, greatstockpicks.com chat room highlights from Tuesday, May 10th. Really only had one worth really bragging about, SOL. Very nice risk reward here. These are 15-minute candles. Let me get my arrow going here. This is the opening 15-minute candle. It had a high of 837. And I loved, let me get a line here. I love the look. If it got through the high of the day, look back here, you had basically a breakout over 840. So I called this in our chat room live. I said SOL 838, worst case stop 9 cents below, 829. So not a bad risk reward. And as I scroll, you'll see this thing just broke out and it's closing pretty strong too. Went all the way to 894 from 838 on 9 cents risk. And I did tell, and I don't call swing trades very often, I did tell the membership that you could maybe consider a quarter of a position. I'm not a big fan of holding overnight because, as you know, anything can happen. This could open at $6 tomorrow. If I hold it overnight, it probably will. So I'm a big cash at night guy, and then we'll find more trades tomorrow. Having said that, for those who do like to swing trade, this is one of the rare times I said, since we caught such a good entry, maybe a quarter of a position overnight, this could be multi-day. And that's it. That was the highlight from today. I mean, called some other stuff. JDSU, for example. JDSU, I like the daily chart a lot. After that 2-day, let's talk about that for a second. After that gap up, it put in consecutive lower highs, but still held pretty well. It's kind of in breakout territory. So JDSU, I called at 2184 in our chat room, just right about here. In other words, I was looking for a clean break of this base, not just 1 penny above. So 2184. Let me see if I can figure out what the stop was. Stop was 12 cents below, 2172, somewhere right about down here. And you can see we're closing pretty strong here. About 20 minutes left in the session, and we did get a nice move. We got up through 22. It meandered around 22 for a while. Looks like it might be getting another move higher now, though. I'm not going to call this as a swing trade, but a decent little gain there on 12 cents risk so far, and it's just a matter of scaling out in parts here. That's it. Some other small stuff, nothing worth really talking about. But I had a nice profitable day. I actually played a bounce down here that made a 14-cent move for us in our favor on a call. I keep thinking it was around $4.12 that I called PAL, which just got killed today, by the way. But looking for an intraday bounce. You know we love bottom feeding like that. And it did move to 428. So a 14-cent move in our favor. Without stopping out, and that's not bad on a $4 stock. Anyway, I'm going to stop babbling, and we will follow up tomorrow night with highlights from Wednesday's trading in our chat room. Have a great night.